What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to show you how to make this double chocolate banana bread. So it's chocolate on chocolate chips. Let's jump into the recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my dry ingredients. So to my bowl I went in with some all-purpose flour, some cocoa powder, baking soda and salt, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix well to combine and set aside while I work on the wet ingredients. So in a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add some overripe bananas that I have here, and I'm just going to go ahead and mash these with my potato masher. Feel free to use a fork or anything you have to mash the bananas. It doesn't really matter. You just want to make sure that the bananas are nice and mashed. So in with some brown sugar, some vegetable oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add 2 eggs to the mix. Then I'm going to go in with some vanilla, and I'm going to mix well to combine. Now that this is well mixed, I'm going to go ahead and add my dry ingredients in parts and combine it until everything is done. We just want to mix well to combine. You don't really want to mix a lot because this is banana bread. It just has a nicer texture by adding some cocoa powder and some chocolate chip. So you don't really want to mix too much. You just want to go ahead and add your mixture in parts until there's no dry patches left. I'm going to go ahead and switch to a spatula because we don't really want to over mix, and I'm going to just scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix well. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with some chocolate chip. Now here's the fun part. You can add as much or as little chocolate chip as you like. This part is so optional, but it do have a depth of texture and some more chocolatiness to the banana bread. So I went ahead and greased my baking dish. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour the batter in. I'm just going to use my spatula to level off the top, and then I'm going to go in with some more chocolate chip on top because why not? And my kids absolutely love chocolate chips, so I'm like, okay, let's add a few more. We're going to bake this in a 350 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick insert and comes out clean. And at this point, it is smelling amazing. I allow this to cool down a bit before I cut into it. And let me tell you guys, this one was super flavorful. Never throw away your overripe bananas again. This is the perfect breakfast snack, whatever you want to have, and the kids will absolutely love it. I will leave a full written measurement in the description down below, so you could go ahead and check out the recipe. And yeah, that's it. This was super soft, moist and delicious, and you'd absolutely enjoy this one. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet liked my page, go ahead, follow and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks again and have a wonderful day. Bye now.